guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is the most, okay, I always say this, but this one is super exciting because I grew up on Lizzie Mcguirre. I am obsessed with Lizzie Mcguirre that I had to get into character. Like I had to do little kid buns, you know, little, do you guys remember these? I forgot what they're called. Hold on. They look like this, but I used to wear these so much growing up, and you know, Lizzie Mcguirre always inspired me to play around with my hair and all that, so I just love her. I grew up on her, and till this day I still love her. I think she is such a sweet girl, and she didn't like get crazy after Disney. She's actually like a really good mom too, from what I'm seeing on social media. I love her so much. So this review is going to be kind of biased. I'm probably going to be obsessed with it, especially because the packaging is so cute from this collection. So I want to show you guys the entire collection in today's video. I know that there's so many other videos here on the internet, but this is the best one, okay? Subscribe down below, turn on post notifications, and let's jump into today's video.
No, I'd rather be waking up with you, set up alone in your room, slept with the light on, waiting up for you. I don't wanna be.
Okay guys, so right in front of me I do have the Lizzie Mcguirre What Dreams Are Made Of eyeshadow palette. This is what it looks like, and on the back it has all of the eyeshadow names. But the eyeshadow names are also inside of the eyeshadow palette, and it also has a really good size mirror, as you guys are seeing. It has vibrant shades and a lot of beautiful shimmers in here. It has one pressed glitter, which is that one right there. I'm going to show you guys all of the swatches from this palette right over here. Now let's move along to the blushes. We did receive 2 blushes in this collection. This is what the carton looks like, and the other blushes in here, they look different. Okay, so this one here is called You Are Magnifico. This blush is a little bit darker than the other one, and it also has a lot of shimmer, so just keep that in mind. It also has a good size mirror right over here. Again, this one is called Magnifico, and this is the color Delish, which is the one I'm going to be using in today's video. It also does have quite a bit of shimmer, and it has a mirror as well. And then, so that's that. Those are the blushes, and now let's move along to the glitter. This one here is Glitterly Obsessed. It's a glitter gel, and this one is in the shade Sing to Me Paolo. This is what it looks like. And here you have it. Again, it's a gel, so you can use this on your hair, on your face, on your body. And then we're going to move along to the next glitter. This one is the Glitterly Obsessed Get a Grip. And that's this one here. Let's move on to the glosses. These glosses are probably my favorite from the collection. I'll put the name right over here on the screen because I forgot and I lost the box. So yeah, this one is in the shade Ethan Craft, which I'm wearing in this video, and we also have the shade Gordo. They're very sparkly, and they're very lightly pigmented when you have them onto your lips. Let me just show you guys some swatches. Again, this one is Ethan Craft. And then this one here is Gordo. Those look like. This is the other dual that you are able to purchase. The packaging looks exactly the same as the other one, but this one is called Dear Diary Plumping Gloss Duo, and it has the color Lizzie and Miranda. Then last but not least, we have a lip scrub, and it looks like this here. It is flavored, bubblegum flavor, and it is called bubblegum, I think. It smells and tastes like bubblegum, and it's called Bubblegum Pop Lippy Scrub. No one judge me. I have no idea how I did not notice that there was water on my lip. I had just drank water, okay? I'm not drooling or anything. It's just water on my lip. Okay, let's continue on.
Let's get started. We are going to be using my Juvia's Place Eye Prep Eye Primer. And then we're going to jump into What Dreams Are Made Of eyeshadow palette from Lizzie Mcguirre and Colourpop. I'm going to take this color here called Don't Freak, which is a lime green color. And I'm going to be placing it right in this area. I'm going to use a fluffy blending brush just so that it deposits, you know, all throughout the eye. Minimal amount of work that you have to do with the blending. You just apply it with a fluffy brush and bam. Then we're going to go into this next color called Done and Done. I can almost hear that in her voice. I'm going to take this color and apply it to the outer edge of the eye and just blend it upwards. I am also using the same exact brush that I used for that previous lime green eyeshadow. And once this is blended out, we're going to take our first shimmer shadow from the palette, which I had to dive into this color. It's called Dear Diary. And with Dear Diary, I'm using a flat packing brush. I'm placing it onto the eyelid just to the beginning portion and taking it midway. And once I have done that, we're going to go into our first semi-matte color. And I say semi-matte because this shade right here is called Outfit Repeater. And this color is a matte with a lot of sparkle in it, which you guys are probably going to pick up off camera. Maybe, maybe not. I feel like I had a little bit of Lizzie Mcguire's personality in middle school. That's why I was like really obsessed with her. But anyway, back to the tutorial, Tracy. You keep talking about how obsessed you are, you know, is kind of weird. Okay, move on. We're going to take this next color called Digital Bean, and I'm going to be using a kind of a more thin fluffy brush like the one I'm showing you guys. And I'm going to be using this at the outer edge just to make things a little bit darker at the edges. And then I'm going to take a fluffy brush and just blend everything out in this area.
I unfortunately lost a lot of footage from this video, so off camera I placed the color, the Glitterly Obsessed glitter, in the color Get a Grip, and I just placed it over the area where I had the pink purplish eyeshadow, and I popped on some eyelashes and my face makeup off camera, and yeah.
And this powder blush here is a really light pink with a lot of sparkle in it, just so you know. So if you're not into sparkle on your cheeks, these blushes, both of them, are not going to be for you from this collection because it has a lot of sparkle. I'm placing this onto the cheek area, and then we're going to move along to the next item. This is the Bubblegum Lippy Scrub from Lizzie Mcguirre. And we're going to be applying it all over the lips and just scrub everything off. I was previously using a gloss, but we're just going to take that off and mix it with the lip scrub, wipe it off. And I decided to go into the color Ethan Craft for this look. I really like the color, so I just picked this one. And that is me using the entire collection. Okay guys, and that is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I definitely had so much fun playing around with this entire collection. I was actually, when you guys seen that little voiceover, I was watching episodes of Lizzie Mcguirre. It's on Disney Plus if you didn't know, so you can watch it. I have definitely been catching up with Lizzie Mcguirre episodes all over again because I discovered that they were on Disney Plus, and then I told my daughter, like, come on, let's go watch it. I got her super into Hannah Montana, and then I'm like, okay, you finished all of Hannah Montana, now let's watch Lizzie. And she didn't really get too much into it because they're like a little bit older, you know. But I just, let me close my window because I fucking hate the airplanes. It's so loud. I live by a major street, and then I also live by an airport, so you guys are gonna hear a lot of noise unless like I'm closing my window, which I just did, so hopefully you guys don't hear anything. Anyways, I was super obsessed with like Gordo, and I just always wanted Gordo and Lizzie to end up together. And when I found out that they were coming back now that I'm older, you know, with a new episode, like new show, I was just like, are they gonna end up together? And then they canceled it. So that's that. So anyway, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know if you guys have any questions for me, or let me know if you already picked up this collection, because it launched a while back, I think like sometime last month, and many of you guys probably already have it, but I wanted to show you guys how I was going to use the entire collection, and also just maybe you haven't heard of it. Maybe, perhaps. I would really appreciate if you subscribe to my channel. It is free to do so, and you support me in the process, which means the world to me. I will leave you guys with my latest uploads linked right over here. You can click on any of these videos and continue to hang out with me. I will see you next time. Bye!